Welcome to AI in 10. I'm Chuck Getchell, and every day I break down the biggest AI story in just 10 minutes. What it is, why it matters, and how you can actually use it. Picture this. You walk into your office tomorrow morning and find out your company just fired 3 people and replaced them with a free AI that works around the clock. That's not science fiction anymore. That's what just happened with the release of GLM-5. On February 12th, a Chinese AI company called Z.ai dropped what might be the most important AI release of 2026 so far. They released GLM-5, a massive AI model that's completely free and open to everyone. And here's the kicker. It's not just another chatbot that gives you clever responses. This thing can actually do your job. Let me break down what just happened in simple terms. Think of most AI tools you've used as really smart interns. They can answer questions, write emails, maybe help with some basic tasks. But they need constant supervision and can only handle one thing at a time. GLM-5 is different. It's like hiring a senior consultant who can work on complex projects for days or weeks without checking in. It can read through 1 million words of documents. That's like reading 4 entire novels. And remember all of it while working. It can write up to 128,000 words in a single response. That's a short book. But here's what makes this a game changer. Most powerful AI models are locked behind expensive subscriptions from companies like OpenAI or Anthropic. You pay monthly fees, your data goes to their servers, and you're limited in how you can use them. GLM-5 flipped that script entirely. They made it completely free and gave everyone the full code to run it themselves. It's like Tesla decided to give away all their car designs and let you build one in your garage. The technical details matter because they show us where this is heading. This model has what they call agentic capabilities. That's tech speak, for it can handle multi-step projects that take hours or days to complete. It can plan, execute, check its work, and keep going without human intervention. Think about the last big project you worked on at your job. Maybe it involved research, analysis, writing reports, and coordinating with different departments. GLM-5 can do all of that. It can dig through massive amounts of information, synthesize it, create detailed plans, and execute them. And it never gets tired or distracted by social media. So what does this mean for your actual life, your job, your money, your daily routine? Let's start with jobs. If you work in data analysis, content creation, customer service, or project management, this AI can already do significant portions of your work. But here's the thing I've learned from building and selling my own AI company. Technology doesn't just eliminate jobs, it transforms them. The people who will thrive are those who learn to work alongside these tools rather than compete against them. A marketing manager who learns to direct AI agents will be worth 10 traditional marketers. A financial advisor who uses AI to analyze market data can serve more clients with better insights, but let's be honest, some roles are at risk. Administrative tasks, basic research, simple writing jobs, these are getting automated fast. The key is to move up the value chain. Focus on strategy, relationships, creative problem solving, and complex decision making. From a money perspective, this is actually great news for most people. Remember when you had to pay hundreds of dollars for software like Photoshop or Microsoft Office? Now you're looking at AI capabilities that would have cost thousands of dollars per month from premium services completely free. A small business owner can use GLM-5 to create marketing campaigns, analyze customer data, write business plans, and even build simple software tools. That's like getting a team of consultants for the cost of electricity to run your computer. Parents can use it as a tutor that never loses patience, never gets tired, and can explain complex topics at exactly the right level for their child. Students can get personalized help with projects that goes way beyond what any human tutor could provide for the same cost, which is zero. Your daily routine is about to get a serious upgrade. Instead of spending Sunday meal planning, grocery shopping, and budgeting, you could have an AI agent handle all of it. Upload your family's dietary preferences, budget constraints, local store data, and weekly schedule. The AI creates optimized meal plans, shopping lists, and even finds the best deals. It's like having a personal assistant who studied nutrition, finance, and logistics at Harvard. The privacy angle is huge too. Since GLM-5 can run on your own computer, your personal data never leaves your control. No more wondering if your private conversations are being used to train some company's next product. Here's what you can actually do with this starting today, and this is important. You don't need any technical background to get started. First, go try it right now. Visit Z.ai and look for GLM-5. You don't even need to create an account for basic use. Give it something complex that would normally take you hours. Ask it to analyze your career options based on your skills and market trends. Have it create a detailed workout and nutrition plan, or get it to help you plan that vacation you've been putting off. Here's a specific example. Let's say you're thinking about changing careers. Instead of just asking, "What jobs should I consider?" give it the full context. Tell it about your current role, your skills, your financial situation, your family obligations, and your interests. Then ask it to create a detailed transition plan with specific steps, timelines, and backup options. The results will blow your mind. This isn't just better than asking friends for advice. It's like having a career counselor who's analyzed thousands of similar situations and knows exactly what works. If you're ready to go deeper, you can actually download GLM-5 and run it on your own computer. Tools like Ollama and LM Studio make this surprisingly simple. You'll need a decent computer with at least 16 gigabytes of RAM, but many people already have that. Why would you want to run it locally, complete privacy, and no usage limits? You could have ongoing conversations about your business strategy, personal finances, or family planning without any data leaving your control. As I always say, I'm not a financial advisor, lawyer, or doctor. Always talk to a professional for your specific situation. But AI can help you prepare for those conversations with much better questions and context. Here's something cool you can try. Use GLM-5's massive context window to create what I call a life operating system. Upload information about your goals, habits, finances, health data, and schedule. Then have ongoing conversations where the AI helps you optimize decisions based on all that context. It's like having a life coach who never forgets anything about you and can spot patterns you'd never notice. For anyone with a side business or freelance work, this is a gold mine. Upload examples of your best work and ask GLM-5 to analyze what makes them successful. Then have it help you create templates, proposals, and marketing materials that follow those patterns. I've seen freelancers use similar approaches to double their rates because they can deliver much higher quality work in less time. The key is to start experimenting now. Don't wait for the perfect use case or until you understand every technical detail. The people who will benefit most from this AI revolution are those who dive in and start learning through doing. Here's the bigger picture of what GLM-5 represents. We're witnessing the democratization of advanced AI capabilities. For the first time, cutting-edge AI isn't locked behind corporate paywalls or restricted to big tech companies. This changes the global balance of AI power. Suddenly, a startup in Kenya has access to the same AI capabilities as Google. A student in rural America can build applications that compete with Silicon Valley companies. But it also means we need to level up our own skills faster than ever. The gap between people who embrace AI and those who don't is about to become a canyon. The good news is that gap isn't about technical ability. It's about willingness to experiment and adapt. We're also going to see an explosion of specialized AI agents built on top of GLM-5. Think AI assistants specifically trained for accounting, real estate, healthcare, or education. The open source nature means developers worldwide can create these without asking permission or paying licensing fees. This is probably the biggest shift in personal technology since smartphones. Just like mobile apps transformed how we live and work, AI agents are about to do the same thing but at a much faster pace. The companies that will struggle are those built on information asymmetry. Businesses that succeed mainly because they have access to information or capabilities that customers don't. When everyone has access to superhuman AI assistants, pure information advantage disappears. The companies and individuals that will thrive are those focused on relationships, creativity, judgment, and experiences that AI can't replicate. But even in those areas, AI becomes a powerful amplifier for human capabilities. GLM-5 isn't just another AI model release. It's the moment when advanced AI capabilities became available to everyone, not just those who can afford premium subscriptions. The question isn't whether this will change how you work and live, it's whether you'll be leading that change or scrambling to catch up. The smartest move you can make right now is simple: start experimenting. Try GLM-5 today with a real problem you're facing. See what it can do. Then imagine how you could integrate that kind of capability into your daily routine. Because here's what I've learned from years of working with AI: the technology itself isn't the advantage. The advantage goes to people who learn to ask the right questions and apply the answers in creative ways. GLM-5 just made that advantage available to anyone willing to reach for it. That's today's AI in 10. If you want to go deeper and learn AI with a community of people just like you, join us at aihammock.com. I'll see you tomorrow, my friends.